Would you have a look at what we've got here? 9th month, 1979. Just came in today for some show and tell. This one has spent its whole life in Beaudesert, so not too far from us, and it's had about 4 owners. The current owner has given this one a full ground up restoration himself, and I mean himself. All the panel beating, he's folded all the steel himself, custom built the tray, not just the wood deck, the whole tray himself. He's done everything over 3 years, and he's saying the spend to date is just over 10 grand. So this is a real hands-on gentleman. And it's a Hj45, so it's got the old H engine in. And I normally talk about under the bonnet, but I want to show you under the bonnet because it's quite cool. So let's have a look how clean and tidy this is. The little H. Now this one, oh, he's done a damn good job. Geez, it's clean under here. This one already had the aircon, so he's got the aircon plumbed up in there. We'll go have a look soon. But he's just tidied everything right up. Put the snorkel into the factory airbox, and it's got the water separator. But if we have a close look down here, it's got 40 series power steer. And the Hj45 had no bracketry, never come with power steer. So Dave, the owner, has adapted a 2F engine mount to make that all work, and he's plumbed it up really nice. He's upgraded the booster because this is now running the 47. He's just put the whole axle under there, which is one way to go about it. So now it's got the disc brakes. It's he's just brought it into the modern world and done an excellent job. I'm just blown away how clean and tidy everything is. Again, he's booked this in nowhere. He's done absolutely everything himself. Very impressive. Up the front even, you look at the bull bar, made it himself. Made the bull bar himself. He's actually mounted it a little bit further back, put the spotties on there. So this is a Hj45. They had the round bezel, but in 79 they've gone to this squarer bezel now, supporting the Toyota badge. And just done a really awesome job. We'll go and have a look inside. Inside's just as clean and immaculate as the outside. Check out the interior of this thing. First of all, I'm looking at the keys. This bad boy has central locking and an alarm system, so there's a few little things to bring it into the modern world. Dave that built this is building it, he built it for his son, so his son's about to have this one as a first car. We think that's pretty cool. Attention to detail in here. If we have a look at the switches, there's no extra holes in the dash, but even with the switches, he's scotch guarded them down, repainted everything, and then put a lacquer over it so they all look as good, if not better, when they come out. Custom door cards, reupholstered seats. It's got the no bull carpet. The no bull flooring is the flooring we stock and sell. We love this stuff. But underneath that, it's all got the sound deadening, and so it makes it for a quiet ride. Aircon in the center, it uses the heater box, so you can have the advantages there. It's not under the passengers, it's not just freezing the passenger, and also you can blow it up through your windscreen. And just check out the roof. This complete car is steel, there's no fiberglass, but he's integrated an aftermarket light switch will light up the top. We can be controlled from the top, but this one also works on your doors, so when you shut the door the light goes off, and then you put the carpet up there. Just attention to detail on this one is spot on. Let's go and finish outside. Check this out. So not only has he done the panel work, he's folded all the guards up himself, made the battery tray. There's no more room in the engine bay anymore, and when I say he panel beated it himself, he made brand new floors for this. He put all the channels in the floor, he folded all the steel up here under the door, bought nothing off the shelf, and that's how he's kept it to that budget. It is a beautiful, beautiful car. I'm so stoked. He's come up all the way from Beaudesert for a bit of show and tell and to talk 40s today, and I can't wait to see this one again.